I want to do a little explanation before I go into this video. I'm so far behind on videos. It's just a lot of work traveling with a lot of kids. We're in Cusco, Peru right now, and I'm just trying to get this video out. I had to do a little explanation how we met up with this lady, Carmen. I have a good friend at home who served a mission in Puebla. And when we got to that area, he said, "You've got to go meet up with this lady." And I thought it was a little weird, but I called her. We met up for lunch, but it turned into one of the coolest experiences my family's ever had. She showed us more Mexican culture than we could have ever dreamed of. So many cool things and relationships, friendships that will last forever. So in this video, I just kind of show you how we met up, and she showed us how to cook, and I wanted you to see not how complicated Spanish food was, but the Mexican food was so simple. Almost no herbs and spices, just very simple. So this video might bore some of you, but the ones coming up after this are so cool. Mexican parties, birthday parties with piñatas, and just so much fun. So this video is just going to be the cooking in the next couple of videos when I can get to them. It's just tough. I'll get them out as quick as I can. We'll be all about Carmen, all about Puebla, Cholula, Mexico. Just an amazing place. We loved it there. Okay, this is where Carmen wanted us to meet. It was a family friend of hers, can't really remember, but it was a little awkward in the beginning, but she made us feel comfortable. So, in the first 20 minutes, Ivy was making friends using Google Translate. That is one handy tool. We had some great Mexican food, and Carmen said, "Well, come to dinner tomorrow, 2:30, and that's how it all started.
Español,
Sí.
arroz,
Sí.
tinga, es tinga de pollo.
Tinga de pollo.
Rajas de chile poblano con huevo, crema de calabacitas y frijoles.
Frijoles.
Oye, mamita, ¿tú quieres cremita de calabaza?
Now that is yummy. Zucchini soup. Oh my heck.
Right after dinner, the first of many soccer games out in the alley, and my kids learned that we don't know anything about soccer. They school us every which way. Okay.
Cuidado, es que está algo alto del otro lado.
Okay.
¿Qué te pasó? ¿Por qué, Sofía? ¿Tú también le pegaste?
¿Está bien? After dinner, Carmen surprised us again. She wanted to show us how to make tortillas.
Más. A ver.
More. Más fuerte.
You gotta get your hands on it a little bit.
Eso. There we go.
Ya no se puede sacar.
Grande.
Wow.
A ver, espérame. Así, solo una, esta no.
Like this?
Aquí, arrímate. Aquí, aquí.
No me va a quemar.
Ah, espérame. Es que le iba.
All right, we have just arrived in Xosla, and we have a cooking class. Carmen is going to teach us how to make the stuff we ate the other day, and some other things she said in Spanish. And so we'll try to video as much as possible, but she wants to be in the video.
Well, we're just walking through the market and it's kind of cold-ish.
Yeah, it's like 69, which is way below Crystal's comfort zone. So Carmen doesn't have a car. When she needs groceries, she just walks a couple blocks to these stores and buys this fresh produce, probably brought in on the truck that morning. And I noticed that all over Mexico, people buy these absolutely fresh produce all the time. It was great. Chile poblano.
No, it's too little.
Market.
Too little.
Too little. Oh, más larga.
Yeah.
Okay.
Más largo. Solo para aprender, poquitos. ¿Sí? Calabazas adentro.
Okay. Calabazas.
Calabazas.
Zucchini.
Hey.
Did you buy some of those?
I did.
4, 4?
Mm.
Oh man, that looks so good. Way back from the store, we stumbled upon a quinceanera, which happens every Saturday here, but how cool was this to see for us? Viva México.
That was so cool. They were like coming through the little palace doors, and the 16-year-old girl in this fancy dress
15.
walks. Oh, 15.
Quinceanera.
And these guys just come blowing their stuff and playing the violin right behind her, and walk to her house for a party. That was the coolest. Here you
Ay.
Primero se asan así, directo en la lumbre.
Sí,
Sí, y hay que estar como
sí, yo puedo.
checando.
Yo puedo esto.
Ah, ok, muy bien.
¿Cuánto tiempo?
Cuando estén...
brown, dark, negro, huh?
Sí, negro.
Para sabor,
¿Mande?
para sabor.
Mm,
Sí.
parejo todo. O cuando ya están asados y después de estar un ratito en la bolsa para que suden, ya se les quita la piel. Abrir y hay que sacar la avena. Toda la avena. A veces pican mucho, a veces no, entonces hay que sacar toda la avena. Ocotlán. ¿Quiere que vayamos? Sí, el de...
Ok, ¿qué? Oh, huevos.
¿Ya está?
Sí.
Ya el huevo. Este alumno se me está distrayendo.
You're gonna be in Hollywood.
Cerramos. Okay, so I'm gonna take the calabasa, cut it in half. Come here, put it in boiling water. Put that over the top of that.
Cuando ya está hirviendo como 5 minutos.
Cut up and look at that like that.
Esto ya falta poquito.
Sí.
Se tiene que poner la cacerola a calentar
Todo.
y
Mantequilla.
mantequilla. Hay que derretir la
Sí.
mantequilla.
Gracias.
Ya está. Solo que enfríe un poco.
Gotta cool down a little bit.
Yep. You keep the skin on too, huh? Now this is weird.
Tapa.
Sí.
Y se vacía. Tiene que sazonar.
Sonar.
Sazonar como...
What does that mean?
Vamos a vaciar la leche en la crema.
A little coconut salt.
I love that coconut thing.
What's your job, Porter?
Pulling chicken apart.
Porter is pulling chicken apart for the pollo de tinga, which we have no idea what that is. Okay, hot. Probably cut down a little bit.
¿Hay chile poblano en América?
Quizás. En el Ventana Mexicano, pero no Walmart.
Oh. Laurel.
Lauren.
Laurel para la tinga.
Laurel.
Ahorita. No, mija. No. Un poco. Ay, no. Ajá. No.
Okay.
Cheesecake.
She's making that stuff that we ate the last time we were here.
Oh, okay. ¿Cómo se dice? Despacio.
laurel.
Laurel.
Cuando está ya como sazonado, ya es el chile adobado, chipotle adobado. Ponemos poquito.
Poquito is a little bit.
Put a little bit.
Así. Puede ser, chipotle, puede ser solo el caldito, pero si comen más chile, es como enteros. Pero solo así como a little
Okay.
bit, ¿sí?
Sí.
¿Van a pintar?
Un equipo de 4, por eso
Las pongo a la mesa.
Wraps up Carmen's cooking, but our next few videos have the best stuff coming. Birthday parties, piñatas, clay pot piñatas, not paper mache. They cook molotes for us. We get some singing. Just all sorts of Mexican culture. It's a fun trip.